Hello all dear students, welcome to online teaching session. Today we are going to study Science of Standard 7th NCERT chapter number 14 Electric Current and its Effects. Now in this chapter we are working with such types of electric things, isn't it? In electric things, wires, cells, batteries, isn't it? All these things, lamps, all these things are used. So in this chapter we are going to study how these are used and how we can prepare such kinds of circuits with the help of certain diagrams which is given in our textbook. So let's start with today's session. Now you might have tried the game, okay, various types of games playing online, or you can also have a joy games, isn't it, with the help of joystick, which is already given in your standard 6 textbook, how to prepare it and how to use with such types of tools, isn't it? So you have study in your hand suggested, which is in chapter number 12 of your 6th standard. So Bucho has also set up game by connecting an electric circuit, which is already suggested in class 6, that is previous years. So but obvious you guys have lots of fun with doing such type of activities, isn't it? So they enjoyed it so much like you, and they decided to suggest it to a friends. So Paheli made a neat drawing showing how the various electric components were used in a particular connections. Now in the textbook 14.1 setup to check how steady your hand is. With this setup, so one battery, key, 2 iron nail, 1 safety pin, 1 small bulb and conducting wires, that is electric wires are there. So how you hold it steady? Key, जब तक की steady रहेगी तब तक वो क्या होगा, electric current flows, isn't it? When that is non steady, the flow will stop of the electric current. So let's start with the table 14.1 symbols of electric components. Now dear students, every time it is not necessary that we speak the name of a particular object of the electric items, isn't it? There are symbols to represent such types of components. So today we are going to understand such types of components with its sign, symbol and the name. Okay, so some common electric components can be represented by symbols, which is already given in the table 14.1 in our board also. Will start soon. So you may come across different symbols for these components in different books. However, in this chapter, in this science book, we have used few components. So look the symbols carefully. In the symbols of the electric cell, notice that there is a longer line and a shorter but thicker parallel line, isn't it? The longer line and thicker line, isn't it? They both are parallel. So what is the name of this component? We can say electric cell. Okay, the electric cell is represented by this symbol, parallels, okay, thicker and longer line. Now do you recall that electric cell has a positive as well as a negative terminal, both ends, isn't it? You might have noticed plus and minus sign is given at the end of the cell. Terminal बोलते हैं उसको, end portion को terminal बोलते हैं, isn't it? So plus means positive and minus means negative. Both the charges are there, both the signs are there. Okay, so in the symbol of electric cell, the longer line represents positive. So this longer line always represents positive, and that shorter line, okay, positive terminal and shorter line represents negative. Okay, so both the terminals, positive as well as negative, you keep in mind the longer line always represent positive side and shorter line represents negative charge. Okay, so for a switch, on position and off position are represented by the symbols, isn't it? Switch on or off. Switch on, this is a on mode. Off, switch is on, isn't it? Switch is on position. So the wires used to connect the various components are represented by a lines. So you can see this, the switch is on means the electric appliance is on working condition. Switch चालू है means switch on है means the current flows through a circuit, through a particular electric object. So the wires used in connecting various components in circuit represented by lines. So battery and its symbol are also shown. So what is that? This is a switch on. So we can say switch off. Off state means the connection is loose. We had off the switch button, so the wires up. It means there is no current flows in a particular object. Okay. Now here one thing, one sign is new for you. What is this sign about? Have you noticed when have you not seen the bulb? Isn't it? So this is just electric bulb. You can see the sign of the bulb. Okay. When it starts, it's illuminate small lights, and when it's off means there is no flow of current, then bulb will not illuminate. The next we are having these two parallel lines. This is a single parallel shorter and thicker lines means electric cell. But what about this long, thicker as well as longer parallel lines? Can anybody tell? You can also say battery, combination of one or more cell. Okay, this is a single cell, but combination of one or more cell is known as battery. We'll see in this session further. And this last one is a simple just blank dash. It's nothing but electric wire. Isn't it? Like this wire, isn't it? So these are the components. Electric cell with positive and negative terminal. Okay, single cell. Electric bulb, which is, this is a symbol of it when it illuminates, isn't it? Lights. Switch on condition means the switch is in on steady position. So here the current flows and the particular objects start working. Switch off mode means the connection is loose. There is no supply of electricity when the switch is off, switch is on off mode. The next one is battery. Here longer and thicker parallel lines means combination of one more than one cell, we can say a battery. Okay, battery cell में से ही बनती है. Combination of one or more than one cell. And last one, that is the blank dash, is electric wire. You can also look in the picture 14.2a and 14.3 connecting two cells together to make a battery. So many devices such as torches, toys, cars, isn't it? All these things, even TV remotes are used with the cell. Okay, geyser, water geyser, some are used with the battery or cell operate, isn't it? So however, in some of these devices the electric cell are not always placed one after another as shown. ओके कोई ऐसे ऑब्जेक्ट होते हैं कि जिसमें एक से प्रेजेंट ही नहीं किए होते, आप देख सकते हो रिमोट में. तो यू कैन नोटिस दैट इन रिमोट वन सेल इज ऑन opposite direction and another cell is on opposite direction. Both the cells are attached to a vice versa, isn't it? Not in a same particular flow. So what is this? So you can look inside a battery carefully that there is usually a thick wire or a metal strip. यहाँ पे रिमोट पे आप देखोगे ये मेटल की शीट होगी जिससे वो कनेक्शन और एक साइड पे स्प्रिंग होगा, isn't it? You can easily present this. So there is a thick usually wire or a metal strip connecting the positive terminal of one cell to the negative terminal of the next cell, isn't it? Positive and negative. So you can also present like this is positive and negative. So this is a positive and negative opposite side. दोनों सेल को ऐसे opposite side में कनेक्ट किया जाता है. So in order to help you place the cells carefully, battery compartment plus and minus symbols are usually printed there. Plus और minus symbol होते हैं ना, so that is nothing but a positive and a negative terminal powers, isn't it? So how can we connect the cells to prepare batteries? For these activities you can make a cell holder. In the textbook a cell holder strip is given with the help of a rubber band. You can try it. And here in electric things rubber band are used, isn't it? So what is the rubber band? Which material? It's made up of rubber, but always. So you have to now recall as we studied in chapter 4, conductors and insulators, or we can say good conductors and bad conductors. Now you think rubber band comes in which category? Is it a good conductor or bad conductor, and why it is used in electric purpose? Such electric tapes also, isn't it? So this is a such type, even you can use a wooden stand, okay, wooden stand holder for the making preparation of the battery or a cell. So generally you could also buy cell holders from the market for making batteries of 2 or more electric cell. Now dear students, small thing you have to keep in mind, if you will do such types of electric things, if you want to prepare such types of electric things, such types of circuits, you please be prepared under your guidance, under the supervision of your parents or elders in your family, isn't it? Don't play or don't tinker with such types of electric objects, because we never knows, okay? So be careful regarding such types of appliances. Now let's begin with the activity 14.1. What we have to do, we have to make an electric circuit, okay? So make the electric circuit shown in figure 14.7. You need similar circuit in class 6. जैसे आप क्लास 6 में जैसे सिंपल सर्किट बनाई थी ना, वैसे ही बनानी है विथ इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब ग्लो स्टार्ट, ओके? यू कैन डू एट योर होम इफ यू आर हैविंग स्मॉल थिक ऑफ अप्लायंसेस विथ यू. डू यू रिमेंबर दैट बल्ब ग्लोज ओनली व्हेन द स्विच इज इन ऑन पोजीशन? जब हम स्विच को ऑन करते हैं तभी बल्ब ग्लो होता है, isn't it? Or the bulb glows as soon as the switch is moved to on position. Because copy this electric circuit in your notebook and mark also the diagram. Okay, हम ये बोर्ड पे डायग्राम देख रहे हैं. Now look this two diagram, 14.8 diagram, electric circuit diagram. Design is this. This is a bulb. This is a wire. Okay, positive as well as negative. Now you remember, big line is positive and thicker smaller line is negative. Okay, this is a two dots which conduct joining the switch, and the bulb will what? When as soon as the switch is on, the bulb will glow, isn't it? वो light होगा, isn't it? And if the switch is in off mode, the bulb will not glow. Okay, this is an electric circuit diagram, both are, but this is off on and this is off. Both are different. Switch is over here. If the switch is in off position, the bulb will not start. The same appliance, the same connection, बस उसको आप switch को off mode में करोगे, the bulb glow नहीं होगा, बंद हो जाएगा. Similarly over here, shorter and thicker line is a which one? Longer and positive, negative. Okay, same thing both the circuit. Now students, here a small notice is given to you that key or switch can be placed anywhere in the circuit. Okay, you can use key also, metal safety pin को आप जैसे वायर से कनेक्ट करोगे तो बल्ब स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, और सेफ्टी पिन को आप रिमूव कर दोगे वायर से थोड़ा तो will not start. Okay, now when the switch is in on position, the electric circuit from the positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal is completed. जब ये स्विच ऑन है तो ये पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव स्विच ऑन में ये पूरा सर्किट कंप्लीट हुआ. So we can say that circuit is completed. When the bulb will not illuminate, the switch is in off position. Okay, so we can say the circuit is incomplete. Then we can also say the circuit is closed, open or closed. Current flows throughout the circuit instantly. Now when the switch is in off position, the circuit is incomplete, so it is said to be open. So we can say that open circuit, and this is a closed circuit, isn't it? Where similarly the current will flows. So in the bulb there is a thin wire called the filament. आपने नोटिस किया होगा कि बल्ब पे अंदर एक पतला सा वायर होगा, फिलामेंट बोलते हैं, thin wire, which glows when the electric current passes through it. Okay, when electric current passes through it, it glows. So when the bulb get fused, its filament is broken. આપણે એમ કહીએ ને કે બલ્બ नहीं हो रहा है, means it is a fused, वो चला गया है, because its filament is break, उसका फिलामेंट बीच में से ब्रेक हो गया होगा. Now student, you have to keep in mind while you do with the electric things that never touch such types of appliances or switch with wet hands. It is clear in our textbook. Never touch a lighted electric bulb connected to mains. जो mains plug के साथ कनेक्ट किया हुआ था उसको कभी भी आप टच मत करो. It may be very hot and your hot hand may get burned. Now do not experiment with the electric supply from the mains or generator or an inverter. डायरेक्टली कभी कोई एक्सपेरिमेंट जनरेटर से या इन्वर्टर से या मेंस प्लग में से कभी मत करना इलेक्ट्रिक एक्सपेरिमेंट. ओके, आई टोल्ड यू ना, डू नॉट टिकर विथ इट. यू मे गेट एन इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक विच मे बी डेंजरस, fatal. So use only electric cells for the activities suggested in this chapter. Again I am repeating, if you want to perform such kind of activity, please perform under the supervision of your parents or under elders. Okay, now if the filament of the bulb is broken, now you think that would the circuit is completed? No, the bulb will not glow because the circuit is open, the filament is broken. So you might have noticed that the glowing electric bulb becomes warm. आपने कभी नोटिस किया होगा कि बल्ब होता है ना, वो वार्म हॉट हो जाता है. Why? So let's start with the next topic, heating effects of electric current. Now let's begin with the 14.2 heating effects of electric current. Okay, activity 14.3, make an electric circuit. Over here I had drawn a diagram based on figure 14.10 which is in textbook. Two nails are there. This is one nichrome wire, this is electric cell, and here key or any metal object, you can use also safety pin. Now what you have to do, we have to just check, we have to examine when the switch is in on. अभी तो ये बंद है, ऑफ पोजिशन है. सर्किट इज ओपन व्हेन द स्विच इज ऑन पोजिशन और द सर्किट इज क्लोज्ड, द हीट विल electric current will flow and this nichrome wire will possess the electric current. What happens? So the nichrome wire remains at the room temperature when the switch is off position. वो generally room temperature पे रहेगा when the switch is in off position, but the wire gets hot when the switch is in on condition. on position पे होगा तो ये nichrome wire क्या हो जाएगा, hot हो जाएगा. So we get wire gets hot and electric current passes through it. ये hot होगा तो पता चल जाएगा कि the electric current has passes through these two nails. Now what is the conclusion behind this activity? What we understand? We understand that when electric current flows through a nichrome wire, okay, it means a part of electric energy gets converted. A part of electric energy gets converted into a which energy? Heat energy. So we can say that electric energy gets converted into which energy? Heat energy, isn't it? So this we can understand, the nichrome wire is hot, it means the electric energy gets converted into heat energy. That is the reason this nichrome wire hot and the current flows through the entire circuit. So this heating effect, this is a heating effect of electric current. Now here do not keep the switch on for a long time. स्विच को लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए ऑन मत रखना, अदरवाइज द सेल में बी वीक. ओके, वो वीक हो जाएगा, उसका कनेक्शन लूज हो जाएगा वेरी क्विकली. सो do not hold for a long time, switch off the current, touch the wire again and again. After few minutes you will understand that when the switch is in on condition, the electric currents gets converted into heat energy, and that is the reason the wire which is over here, nichrome wire, becomes hot. So wire gets hot when the electric current passes through it. This is the heating effect of the electric current. Now any other appliances? Here there is a one coil is given over here. You might have seen the electric room heater or an electric heater used for cooking. Cooking के लिए electric heater होता है ना, जिससे cooking बनता है. So all this contains a coil wire. Some type of these are such types of arrangements. You can see. Okay, you can say coil, a kind of a sound, round and round surface, isn't it? So this is a coil. All these contain a coil of wire. This coil is contain of wire. So this coil of wire is called an element. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Element है, which are used in electric purpose. You may have noticed that when these appliances are switched on, After connecting to the electric supply, their elements become red hot and give over heat. Even you can also see this coil in iron, for which when we use for pressing the clothes. Okay, inside the iron such type of coil is there. When the electric current passes, the electric current converts into heat energy, and the clothes are, when we press, becomes hot, and we can easily press the clothes, isn't it? So Bujo not seen the element in the electric iron. Paheli told him that the electric appliances such as immersion heaters, hot plates, iron hot plates जिस पे हम food गर्म करते हैं, hot plates, iron geysers, electric kettles, hair dryers, and even elements inside them. Such types of coils are there, which is present such type of element. Now you should tell element instead of coil. Okay. Now the amount of heat produced in the wire depend on its material. कितना वो वायर कौन से मटेरियल का है, depends on that. Here नाइक्रोम वायर है तो वो हीट एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है जल्दी, तो वो ज़्यादा जल्दी गर्म हो जाता है. So thus for different requirements, the wire for different materials and different lengths or thickness are used for a particular appliances. Generally the wires and pins are used for microwave, for electric means, for washing machine, for refrigerator. All these wires and their materials are different upon the usage, upon the weightage of the particular object. So the wire used for making electric circuits do not normally becomes hot. वो क्योंकि कंजप्शन ज़्यादा रहता है तो वो hot हो जाए उतना चलता नहीं, उसका low grade नहीं होना चाहिए. So on the other hand, the elements of some electric appliances become so hot that they are always easily visible. The filament of the electric bulb gets heated to such a high temperature that it starts glowing. Okay, and if the large current passes through a wire, the wire may becomes hot, and that is the even may belt and break. कभी consumption ज़्यादा हो जाता है और गर्म हो जाता है तो even the circuit break. Though this is about electric bulb, tube lights, CLF and LEDs are given over in textbook. Okay, LED bulbs are used much electric efficient and therefore being preferred. Which nowadays LED bulbs are there which are consumption are easily, so much efficient and therefore being preferred. It is advised to use electric appliance and gadgets which are electricity efficient and Bureau of Indian Standard, that is ISO mark होना चाहिए, which is given by New Delhi, assigned a standard mark on a product. So that is called the ISI mark, which is an assurance of a conformity of the specification given on the products. 5 star, 4 star, okay, 7 stars, such are the stars which the number of more stars are the energy savings, and ISI mark होता है वही standardized appliance होता है, उसमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का भी पूरी तरह से एफिशिएंट लोग वो ध्यान में रख के ही बनाया गया होता है. सो फ्लोरेसेंट बल्ब्स और ट्यूब्स और CFLs contain necessary mercury vapors toxic in nature, therefore damaged fluorescent tubes or CFLs need to disposed of safely. जब ये जब fused हो जाता है ना, we need to dispose these things carefully because they are toxic, so it spreads hazards in a nature, so we should keep in mind. Now let's move to the next activity. So students, generally we know that wires made from some special materials melt quickly and break down, isn't it? When the large electric current are passed, जब current over हो जाते हैं in a huge quantity it passes, the electric wires break off, isn't it? So these wires are used for making electric fuses. जो electric fuses आपने देखा होगा आपके घर के अंदर होगा main fuses, okay, जिसमें वो होता है. So in all building fuses are inserted in all the electric circuits. This is a maximum limit on the current which can safely flow through a current. और सर्किट जो वो मेजर्स करता है कि वो फ्लो ऑफ करंट वो सफिशिएंट और सेफली हो. सो इफ दिस बाय एक्सीडेंट करंट एक्सीड्स दिस सेफ लिमिट्स, द वायर ब्रेक्स डाउन, मे बिकम ओवर और हॉट. जब भी करंट बढ़ जाता है, एक्सेस हो जाता है, तो व्हाट हैपेंस, द वायर ब्रेक्स डाउन एंड बिकम ओवरहीटेड एंड मे कॉज फायर. सो इफ अ प्रॉपर फ्यूज इज देयर इन द सर्किट इट विल ब्लो ऑफ एंड ब्रेक डाउन. अगर फ्यूज वायर में प्रॉपर क्वालिटी और प्रॉपर मटेरियल का वायर होगा तो वो क्या होगा, व्हेन द करंट इज ऑन हाई फ्लो, ओके, एक्सेसिव हो जाएगा ज़्यादा, एट दैट टाइम इफ दिस वायर्स आर यूज्ड इट ब्रेक्स डाउन. Okay, so a fuse is thus a safety device which prevents the damage to electric circuits and possible fires and also have a safe. So fuses of different kinds are used for different purposes. Shown in fuse used in our homes. Fuses shown in these figures are generally used in electrical appliances. We also observed that heating effect on the electric current and learned we used in the advantage. So there is a one device which helps this. Okay, this one reason for excessive current in the electric circuit is the direct touching of wire. कभी भी ये reason हो जाएगा when these two wires are connecting directly, the current starts overcoming, and this may happen if the insulation of the wire has come off due to the wear and tear. This may cause a short circuit. So another reason may for the excessive current that can be connection of many devices to a single socket. कभी क्या होता है कोई single socket पे various appliances का कनेक्शन दिया होगा तो सभी से वो पावर ट्रांसफर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी होगा तो वो जल्दी ब्रेक हो जाता है. सो दिस में कॉज अ ओवरलोड इन द सर्किट, जिससे वो लोड बढ़ जाता है. कोई एक सब्सटेंस में जितना सब मटेरियल हो अंदर हो सके उतना ही जाएगा, अगर उससे ज़्यादा आएगा तो वो ओवरलोड हो जाएगा. वैसे इन द सेम केस इट्स हैपन विद द इलेक्ट्रिक फ्यूज वायर्स. So you might have read such types of disease or injury done by these short circuits, isn't it? So there are nowadays miniature circuit breakers, that is MCBs, miniature circuit breaker, full form of MCB. Now what is this MCB does? So MCBs are increasingly being used in a place of fuses. Nowadays fuses are replaced with the MCB. Now what this does? These are switch which automatically turn off when the current in the circuit exceeds the safe limit. वो अपने आप ही ऑफ हो जाती है स्विच जब हमारे घर पे और कोई प्लेस पे करंट उसकी सेफ लिमिट से एक्सेस हो जाए, ज़्यादा हो जाए. हम उसको रोबोट भी बोलते हैं, इजंट इट, कि वो रोबोट बंद हो गया. Okay, you turn them on and the circuit is once again completed. So whenever you see this or whenever you go for purchasing this MCB, please look ISI mark. Only standard companies MCBs you purchase. Okay, always use proper fuses which been specified for a particular appliances. Okay, so next we going to study about the effect of electric current on a compass needle. Magnetic compass needle होती है ना आपके पास, तो वो क्या करना है, टेक्स्ट बुक में एक एक्टिविटी उस हिसाब से आपको रैप करना है इलेक्ट्रिक वायर विद द सेल. Okay, now wire few times around a cardboard and tray and place a small compass needle inside. Now connect the free ends, means both the ends of this wire to an electric cell through a switch, or we can use also a safety pin or a key. Now note the direction in which the compass needle is pointing. Bring a bar magnet. When you bring a bar magnet near to the compass needle, what happen? Have you noticed this? So we know that the needle of a compass is a tiny magnet, isn't it? Tiny magnet is there. So when we bring a magnet close to it, the needle gets deflected. वो अपनी जगह से हिलेगी, deflected हो जाएगा, isn't it? So when we have to also see that compass needle get deflected when the current flows in nearby wire. वो जब भी deflect होता है, we have to see that the current has already flowed in a nearby wire which is wrapped around a compass needle. So when the current flows through a wire, does not behave like a magnet. जब वो deflect नहीं होगी, when the compass needle does not deflect, वो हिलेगी नहीं अपनी position, it means the current does not flow. So this is what scientists called a Hans Christian Ørsted. Okay, Hans Christian Ørsted. You can also look the picture of the Hans Christian Ørsted AD, that is 77 and 1851. So also wondered, he was the first person who, Hans Christian Ørsted is the first person noticed that the deflection of compass needle every time when the current passed through the wire. So when the electric current passes through a wire, it behaves like a magnet. Here we have one example. This is a magnetic effect of electric current. In fact, electric current can be used to magnets. Now let's prepare an electromagnet. Look at the picture over in the board. Electromagnet, for that you need a nail, one nail, conducting wire you have to wrap. Okay, even you can use copper wire or nichrome wire. These are the cell. Okay, cell, electric and switch on position. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to wrap both the ends of the wire to the nail and connect to the cell, both the ends opposite plus and minus, and on the switch or on the key or safety pin, whatever object you used. So what happens, and if you place, these are the pins, iron, सेफ्टी पिन की पिन्स भी रख सकते हो, स्टेपलर की पिन भी रख सकते हो, स्मॉल स्मॉल आयरन डस्ट ऑल्सो, यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज आयरन डस्ट, okay, any of the things. So this you can, so after that what happens when you wrap a conducting wire to this nail and will connect with the cell and you keep the current in on position, what happens if you bring this magnet to iron pins or iron dust, it attracts, it's stuck because iron behaves like a magnet. Okay, before we had also understand Hans Christian Ørsted. The same way electromagnets, the electromagnets can be made be strong and can lift the very heavy loads. आप देखते हो कि जेसीबी में हो तो वहाँ पे कार और क्रेन से वो जो है हेवी लोड से व्हीकल्स भी उठा लेते हैं, isn't it? These are used. So at the end of such crane has a strong electromagnet attached to it. The electromagnets are also used in separate magnetic materials. मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल्स नियर बाय एरियाज में होगा और कोई भी इंडस्ट्री में होगा तो वो इससे इजीली सेपरेट होगा, क्योंकि बिकॉज इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट बिहेव्स लाइक अ मैग्नेट व्हेन द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लोज इन इट, जब उसमें करंट फ्लो होगा तब वो मैग्नेट बन जाएगा. ओके, सो डॉक्टर्स यूज टाइनी इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट्स टू टेक आउट स्मॉल पीसेस ऑफ मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल दैट इज एक्सीडेंटली फॉलन इन द आई. इवन डॉक्टर यूजेस व्हेन देयर इज अ सीवियर एक्सीडेंट ना, some of the magnetic objects or some other materials are, if was got in an eye, even doctors used such types of magnet to remove such unnecessary materials. And many toys also have electromagnets inside them. They are also in the same way electric bell is also prepared. Now what happens? Okay, there is a constant screw near the iron strip. When the iron strip is in contact with the screw, the current flows through the coil which becomes an electromagnet and pulls the iron strip. So in this process the hammer at the end again gong पे वो hammer जाएगा when the current flows and the noise प्रोड्यूस. ओके, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट बेल भी होती है ना, इलेक्ट्रिक बेल हमारे घर पे, तो सेम स्ट्रक्चर सेम डिजाइन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सच दिस कंसेप्ट the gong, the iron nail will stuck to the gong and sound is produced. So the coil is no longer an electric mole if there is a no longer attract the iron strip. जब वो आयरन स्ट्रिप को अट्रैक्ट नहीं करेगा तब वो मैग्नेट नहीं होगा, बिकॉज द करंट, अगर यहाँ से स्विच ऑन है, मैं यहाँ से स्विच को ऐसे निकाल के ऑफ पोजीशन पे रख दूँ तो क्या होगा, आयरन पिल्स विल फॉल डाउन, hence there is no magnet induced in the nail, तब वो मैग्नेट बिहेव नहीं करेगा. ओके, सो दिस कंप्लीट्स द सर्किट एंड द करंट फ्लोज इन द कॉइल एंड हैमर स्ट्राइक्स द गोंग अगेन. वापस वो पूरी सर्किट बनी इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट की, इलेक्ट्रिक बेल की, वो वापस गोंग पे गया, पूरी सर्किट बनी, तब वो वापस नॉइज प्रोड्यूस करेगा. दिस प्रोसेस इज रिपीटेड इन क्विक सेशन. द हैमर स्ट्राइक द गोंग एवरी टाइम एंड द सर्किट इज कंप्लीट एंड दिस इज हाउ द बेल रिंग्स विच प्रोड्यूस अ noise. So I think there is no query regarding this chapter. You nicely understand this chapter. Let's do a short recap of this chapter. So what we understand from this chapter, that it is convenient to use represent electric components by symbol. Using their electric circuits can be represented by electric circuit diagrams. When an electric current flows through a wire, the wire gets heated and it is a heating effect of a current. This effect has many applications, isn't it? Wires made from some special materials melt quickly and break when large electric currents are passed through them. These materials are used for making electric fuses, which prevents the damage wires damage to electric appliances. So we can say MCBs are there nowadays. These devices are popular in the market. When an electric current flows through a wire, it behaves like a magnet. अगर आप मैग्नेटिक बनाना चाहते हो तो मैग्नेट आयरन नीडल, तो it behaves like a magnet when electric current flows through it. A current carrying coil of an insulated wire wrapped around a piece of an iron is called an electromagnet. Just now we had seen, isn't it? It will attract iron pins or iron dust because iron behaves like a magnet. Okay. Now electromagnets are used in many devices which we see generally in toys, JCBs for carrying such types of high goods of loaded vehicles, even to separate the iron impurities. So this is all about this chapter, and you would also see some of the models or device which are prepared by the last year, previous year students. Hope you will do such types of activities at your home under the supervision of your parents. Okay, please do try this. Thank you. Now students, You might be wondered that what madam has such types in her hand, light, switch. This is a one connection. This model is prepared by last year student, parallel connections. Okay, now this model prepared by previous year students. Okay, you can also prepare at home. What you want, you just want switch, such type of waste, cardboard paper, small 2 LED lights, and you can just look the mechanism and this battery. Okay, you can use this, and we have to place this battery positive as well as negative, both the ends of a battery, and these wires are connected. Here the electric tapes are used. Now look, this both parallel connection. Now what is the parallel connection? A connection in which particular object will start when its switch is there. अगर आप लाइट स्विच ऑन करोगे तो उसका ही होगा, ऑफ होगा करोगे तो उसका बंद हो जाएगा, और दूसरे का है वो स्टार्ट रहेगा. देखो यहाँ पे ऑन ही है, अगर मैं दोनों ऑफ कर दूंगी तो ऑफ हो जाएगा. सो पैरेलल कनेक्शन में पर्टिकुलर इंडिविजुअल का कनेक्शन होता है. जैसे हमारे घर में होता है ना लाइट का, बेडरूम का कनेक्शन में अगर आप फैन स्टार्ट करो तो बेडरूम का ही फैन स्टार्ट होगा, नॉट एल्स इन द अदर प्लेस ऑफ द हाउस. सो दिस इज अबाउट अ parallel connection in which both the connection, here some of the connections are loose. Okay, just have a look. This is a parallel connection. Now let me show the next one. Hold a second. This is a next one is a सीरीज कनेक्शन. नाउ जैसे हमारे घर पे सीरीज होती है ना डेकोरेशन के लिए, सीरीज कनेक्शन वैसे ही है. देखो एक ही दो लाइट से एक बैटरी और एक स्विच कनेक्शन, अगर मैं उसको बंद कर दूंगी तो दोनों बंद हो जाएगा. पैरेलल की तरह नहीं कि जिसकी कनेक्शन हमने बंद किया वही बंद होगा. हियर यू कैन सी, isn't it? So this is a series connection. ओके, जैसे हमारे घर पे सीरीज होती है ना कि एक स्विच से आप स्टार्ट करें, सभी सीरीज जो डेकोरेशन में यूज करते हैं दिवाली टाइम पे, दिस इज बेस्ड ऑन दिस कंसेप्ट सीरीज कनेक्शन. अगर ये इसका एक डिसएडवांटेज है कि सीरीज कनेक्शन में आप कोई भी एक सीरीज का बीच में से कनेक्शन लूज हो गया, द होल द सीरीज विल नॉट वर्क. सो दिस इज अबाउट सीरीज कनेक्शन. नाउ जस्ट लेट मी चेक. दिस इज जस्ट अ सिंपल इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट मॉडल. This is again a battery. If you will place with the switch, your switch mechanism is there. If you will connect these ends with a battery, okay, let me show you. The light start, isn't it? And again if I off the switch, or again I will remove this connection, the battery will not work, the current will not flow over here. This is just a simple electric circuit. Here switch, safety pin, iron objects are used. Just look at the mechanism of the switch. Okay, so this is about this. I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you.